Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you the detailed comparison of ROBOROCK Q5 Pro versus Q8 Max versus Q7 Max. So as you can see that I have created this table for you so that you could understand very easily the key differences between these three vacuums and which one should you buy. We will discuss that later in this video. So first, if we talk about the suction power, then as you can see that ROBOROCK Q5 Pro has 2700 PA, whereas the Q8 has 5500 PA and ROBOROCK Q7 Max has 4200 PA. So in terms of suction power, we have our clear winner, that is ROBOROCK Q8 Max. Now, battery is one of the key features or one of the key things that we need to consider, and as you can see that in all of the three, battery is kind of same. If we talk about the run time, then you can get up to 180 minutes in Q5 Pro, 180 minutes in Q5 Max, and the same in the Q7 Max. Now if we talk about the dustbin capacity, then you will notice that uh, all of the three has the same dustbin capacity, that is 470 ml. Now if we talk about the water tank capacity, then unfortunately in ROBOROCK Q5 Pro there is no mop, and in the Q8 Max it is 350 ml, and same is in the Q7 Max. Now if we talk about the mapping technology, then in the ROBOROCK Q5 Pro we have the LDR mapping capacity or the technology. Next we have the Q8 Max, in which we have the LDR and the reactive AI, whereas in the Q7 Max we have the LDR capacity. Now if we talk about the cleaning modes, then we have the vacuum only in it, whereas both of the other has vacuum plus mop. Now mop functionality, so since in ROBOROCK Q5 there is no mop, so fortunately there is no mop functionality. In both of these we have the sonic mopping, and in it we have the uh, vibrarized mopping. Now if we talk about the obstacle avoidance, so we have the standard LDR in Q5 Pro, and the reactive AI and the LDR and the reactive AI in this one. So we have multiple mapping in all of the three. We have smart room mapping in all of the three. We have carpet boost scheduling edge in all of the three. So if we talk about the app control, so you can do you can have app control in all of the three. So if we talk about the price, which is one of the important segments, and the comparison cannot be completed without the price range. So the Q5 Pro ranges between $400 to $500. The Q8 Max ranges between $600 to $700, whereas the Q7 Max is between the $500 to $600. Now you must be wondering which one should you actually choose. So let me tell you that the Q5 Pro is best for the users who only need a vacuum and without mopping. So if you can handle without mopping, you don't actually need it, so you can go with ROBOROCK Q5 Pro. Second, you can consider ROBOROCK Q7 Max. It is ideal for those who want a good balance of vacuuming and mopping at a mid-range price. And you can even consider ROBOROCK Q8 Max because it is for the users who want the most powerful suction and advanced mopping with the top tier obstacle avoidance. So according to this table you can choose, and that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.